Growing Greens is a foundation that funds urban farms all over North America. They have $100 million to invest. Your challenge as a financial analyst is to determine the right combination of stocks and bonds for an investment plan that will return more money over time and fund their future projects. We'll start by making a graph to evaluate Growing Green's current investment plan. Year after year, their spending is going up. Growing Greens invested all of their money in government bonds. Let's forecast what these lines will look like in the next few years. Soon, they'll be spending more than their investment returns. Because Growing Greens wants to fund projects for the next 100 years, we need to give them a new plan that will earn higher returns. But what combination of investments will do that? Let's make a new investment plan for Growing Greens. How would you invest their $100 million? There's no wrong answer. Play with the percentages, then select the level of risk you're comfortable with. This medium risk plan strikes a good balance between aiming for high returns and protecting against big losses. Great job creating this investment plan.